so excited. I'm in Australia right now and I saw a commercial for Friends Happy Meal. So here is the Happy Meal. How cute is this box? OMG. Make sure I got the, which way am I going? Okay. How cute is this? It's huge too. It's bigger than my face. Alright, let's do the unboxing. Because I know in the States, we're not gonna have it. So I had to get it, well, in Australia. And it comes with a toy. So I'm super excited. It's unveiled. Alright, comes with a little stand. Alright, I got Joey. OMG. Alright, and it came with sweet and sour, of course. And then Monica's marinara. And I got nugs. And then